Hello everyone, thank you so much for bopping in with me today. Right now we are currently grounding 1 pound of ground beef to make our beef and potato casserole. As far as the seasonings right at this moment, there was sea salt. I've also used some seasoning salt and onions. So we're going to cook this down. Once we get the meat completely cooked, then we're going to go ahead and bop over to our potatoes. All right, so we have our ground beef. It is, as you can tell, completely cooked. I kind of like my beef, kind of very fine. So let me just go ahead and make sure we have that. And what we're going to do now is bop over into our potatoes.